Yes, sir.
So look at that. And this problem, the only thing you should do is find the value of, of a expression. This expression become like a perfect square trinomial. In other words, it's complete square. Entonces, what is the magic number that complete square in that case? How you find magic number? Uh, in this class, I want more participation because I am bored to do by myself the same. More participation, you know very well that, I suppose. What is the formula for the magic number? The magic number is a number, I call it for, in funny way, magic number, no? But actually, it's a number that when you introduce here artificially, uh, convert this trinomial like a perfect square trinomial. And the factorization is only one parenthesis square because they are twin brothers. Okay? What is the magic number? Who help me?
B
Come on.
divided by 2 squared.
Exactly. B divided by 2 square. It's a formula. And our specific example. Who is B?
8.
8. 8 divided by 2 means
4.
and 4 square is 60.
60.
And this is the magic number. Okay, I feel it now. I introduce artificially the magic number, but now I want to do
Yeah.
the factorization of the trinomial.
Yeah.
Open one parenthesis or two parentheses.
2.
2. Why 2? Well, you can. What is the combination in that case?
Mm.
X minus 4.
X minus 4 and
X minus 4.
exact. Therefore, Ernest, not necessarily two parentheses, only one because always they are twin brother. It's a square. Okay,
Okay, thank.
this is perfect. A square trinomial. Okay. Suppose another example. Well, no. Application now. Suppose I want to solve this quadratic equation. Uh, Suppose I want to solve this quadratic equation by complete square. Entonces, the manipulation is you bring down this, you bring down this. This one you move to the right hand side, and you introduce artificially here plus the magic number that complete square. In this case, what is the magic number that complete square? Is help me. Is 8.
But 9.
9. Very well. It's 9. From this, play me or no?
Yeah, you take
Come on,
6
6.
6 divided by 2
Uh-huh.
and square 2 factor 2.
Uh-huh. Okay.
You get it. Yeah.
Okay. Then you know que this is perfect square trinomial now, no? The same thing, perfect square trinomial. Under factorization, you open only one parenthesis, right? It's x minus 3.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. On the right hand side, we have 8, no? 8.
Yes.
Now apply square root both sides, the classical method of the square root principle, square root method. X minus 3 squared is x minus 3 without square root and square. In the right hand side, you have plus and minus square root 8. 3
Yeah.
is
X equal
4, 2, 2. Minus 3, 1 couple 2. Okay, outside the radical, so we have x minus 3 is equal plus minus 2. This 2 is this 2. And inside the radical, I stay another 2, is this 2. And finally, so for x is 3 positive plus and minus 2. Is easy or no?
yeah. Well, sir,
Go ahead, go
is
ahead.
he we cannot plus the two radical with the three or no? We
No,
just
no, 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 no. The answer is no.
okay.
The answer is
Thank
no because it's a violation of the order of operations. Remember?
thank
Okay, look at that. The operation is 2 times radical 2. This is one invisible time here. So you perform this operation first, and after you are doing this. If you combine 3 and 2 together, violation. Completely wrong. Okay, one more. By complete square is x squared plus 2x plus 2. I need you guide me step by step. What should I do? Suppose I want to solve it. Okay, in this case, exactly the same. Solve it by completed square. Okay, by completed square. No quadratic formula. No, no, no. I want completed square. Okay, who help me?
by the formula
Again?
minus b
Uh-huh. Who's B?
2
Uh-huh.
x
No, it's 2. B
two
is the
two yeah
coefficients
two
from the it's 2. And 2
two
divided by 2 is 1, no?
yeah
And 1 squared is
1
1. So it is
1
magic number in this specific example is just 1. But you have 2. Wow, 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 wow. Or you
yeah
break it down 1 and 1 plus and 2, 1 plus 1,
2 yeah
and you take the first one to this.
yeah
Or another possibility is isolate, so bring 2 to the other side, and you adding this one that was completely artificially. Look. Therefore, this is perfect square. The perfect square, the factorization is x plus 1 squared. Do you understand this?
yes
Equal -1. Negative 1. Apply square root both sides.
root yeah
Say x plus 1 without square and square root plus or minus, and square root -1 is imaginary side. It's just side, but definition. Therefore, x is equal -1 plus or minus. Okay? Super.
yes
One more by completing the square. X squared plus 16x minus 3 equal to 0. Tell me, what should I do?
minus b the formula and I
Uh-huh.
think is minus 3 cannot change
So what do you say about 3?
um like it cannot change when you said square 3 square minus 3 gonna be square minus 3 right
But what is the magic number in this case?
um 16 square
What?
is no doing it in my head
Processing. Think about that. What is the
right
magic number? Come on, another participation, guy. We're doing
64?
together. F4? 64?
Yeah.
Perfect. Where I come from 64? Where I come from?
square b
16 divided by 2 is 8. 8
Uh-huh.
squared is 64.
Super, you are the best. So I introduce artificial 64 here and here, right? And this minus 3, I move to the right like a positive 3. Okay, ready. Who helped me with the factorization of this trinomial? One parenthesis or two parentheses? One parenthesis.
you said 2 1 I think it's 1
One,
yeah
because I repeat for you 40 times. It's perfect square trinomial. And perfect square
yeah
trinomial is x
8
plus.
8
Very well.
8 yeah square
In the right hand side, we have 67, no? 3 plus 6. Apply square root both sides. X plus 8 is equal plus or minus square root 67. Now 67, unfortunately, is prime number.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So we cannot simplification anymore. Only solve for x is minus 8
It.
plus or minus square root 6. That is the final. You can see, guys, if, for example, sometimes the solution of the quadratic equation maybe is real rational. Rational means fractional decimal. Real irrational. In this case, irrational, square root 67, because it's the square root of the prime number. Or complex. We have complex number. We have 7 possibilities. Okay, now we practice now the quadratic formula. Yeah, I know that you like so much. Quadratic formula. Who remember the quadratic formula by memory? Who remember? Quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. Please help me.
The one that minus b.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Square. 2 4 for AC.
No.
B.
Before that.
B minus 4AC over 2A.
Yeah.
Like that?
E.
My recommendation is important to memorize this. Because in college algebra, we need to use it every day, that formula. You say, no, I need to see in my notebook. No. Okay. Suppose this example. 3x squared plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Identification. Who is A, B, C?
A is 3.
B?
2.
And C?
Minus 8.
Absolutely. Plugging in that value into the formula. Let me try. Is minus 2 plus or minus the square root 2 squared minus 4 multiplication by 3 que es A, multiplication by negative A que es C. Everything divided by 2 times 3. And remember, the first thing you should do is compute the expression inside the bracket. According to the order of operations, it's a 4. And be careful with the sign. Double minus become positive. Entonces we have 4 times 3 que es 12. And 12 times 8 is 96. And 96 plus 4 is 100. And the square root 100 is 10. Okay, so far we have minus 2 plus or minus 10 divided by 6. Okay, entonces ahí separé. Minus 2 plus 10 over 6. Minus 2 minus 10 over 6. This is 8 over 6. Can we can simplification because it's even number divided by 2 is 4, divided by 2 is 3. Good. This is my first solution. My second solution is this is minus 12 over 6 is negative 2. And the solution set for this equation is doesn't matter the order, 4 over 3 coin. Negative. Any question? Because I bring a lot of examples, with the different complications. This is the most elementary example because the original function is expressed in standard. It's expressed in standard, it's super easy. No? You identify your ABC, but not always we can express in standard. And also, we have another complication like fraction, decimal, the unit we practice today, every possibility. Okay? One more example. Suppose this. 4x squared plus 5x plus 1. Help me, guy. I need help. Please. What should I do? Hey, help me.
All right. We're gonna put the formula minus b
Okay, perfect.
square uh, uh
Square root,
square
technical
root
square
b
root.
square
Uh-huh.
minus 4ac divided by 2ac.
Uh-huh. Super.
All right, we're gonna
My
plug
first
them.
step. This
Plug
is my
them.
first. What is my second step?
We're gonna plug them.
Blow who?
Plug the
A.
a b the value of, okay, 4 is a,
And you
5
prefer,
is
and you
b.
prefer, and you prefer realize directly that this is A,
Yeah, a
this is
b
B. Okay,
and
okay.
c.
This is C. So it's negative 5 plus and minus
Yeah,
5 squared
yeah,
minus 4 times 1 no?
yes,
Divided by 2.
divided by 2.
2
2
times.
4
Okay,
4.
good. Let's compute the expression inside the radical.
All right.
Tell me.
16, like
5 squared. 5 squared.
25, 25
Very well. Minus something.
mi- minus 16.
It's 9, no?
Yes.
And the square root 9.
Is 3.
Uh-huh. So far we have minus 5 plus or minus 3
Yes.
divided by 8
T-
because 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, now I separate in two pieces. Minus 5 plus 3 over 8 and minus 5 minus 3 over 8. And this is negative 2 over 8. It's negative 1 over 4 in lowest term. And this is negative 8 over positive 8 and negative 1. Wow, amazing. We solved it too fast. Okay, this is the idea. Because in color algebra, we need to focus it on complicated problems. Now, in the middle of complicated problems, you can find one or two quadratic equations. This quadratic equation, you solve it in 2 seconds because you focus it in the complicated problem inside involve quadratic equation. Okay, so we need to practice. Another problem. Ooh, okay, x squared minus 10x plus 29 equal to 0. Easy. Easy because it's already expressed in standard form. No? Okay, because I need help. Another participation. No anymore Ernest. Ernest is good student. Help me anytime. Another participation. Brian, Ismael, Shelby, Tatiana. Who want to participate?
Write the
Villanueva.
formula.
Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. All right, who? What is your
Brian.
name? What is your name?
Brian. Brian.
Okay, Brian. Go ahead, Brian. What should I do?
The first step is to write the formula.
Okay, you could
Negative
you?
b plus or minus
Uh-huh.
square root b squared minus 4ac
Exactly.
over 2a.
Uh-huh. After
The
that,
second step is to identify a, b, and c.
uh-huh. Like that. You prefer it in that way or directly in the equation?
It doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. Okay, 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 okay.
A is 1,
Uh-huh.
b is negative 10,
Uh-huh.
c is 29.
Exactly. Now plug it
Then
in.
you plug it in.
When you plug it in, remember we have double minor, no? The minor of the value for B and the minor of the formula doesn't become positive, right?
Yeah,
Or
it'll
you,
be
or
10.
you prefer this idea? Negative, negative 10. You prefer this idea or directly put the positive?
Directly put a positive.
Me too. Me too. Me too. Me too. Me too. A is 1, C is 29. Divided by 2 times is just 2. So we compute the expression inside. This is 10 squared, negative 10 squared, 100. Multiplication 29 times 4. I put in my calculator. Is
116.
exactly, very well. And when you subtracting this guy, it's minus 16, no?
Yeah.
And the square root 16, what happened, guy? The square root
It's I, right?
exactly. Very well, very well. F4I. Very well. Okay, now so far we have 10 positive. Remember, double minus. Plus or minus 4I divided by 2. You can leave it like that? No. No, because you split this common denominator. This is 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2. Plus or minus 4I divided by 2. So we get 5. Plus or minus 2I. The solution for this equation is 2 complex solution. 2 complex solution. 5 plus or minus. Super good. Brian, thank you so much. Okay. So I bring another extra problem in one book. I want to complicate a little bit your life. So this is miscellaneous. What means miscellaneous? Que you can solving the quadratic equation, not necessarily using quadratic formula. O sea, you realize identification. What do you consider is the best way for solving super fast and super efficiency? Si es factorization, si es quadratic formula or complete square or square root, I don't know. I copy and you help me. For example, the first example is x squared plus 11x plus 12. Minus 12, sorry. Ow. Minus 12. Equal to 0. In this case, nice. Because the equation is already expressed in standard form. Okay. So what do you propose me? Propose me something. In college algebra, you need to make a decision quickly. Quadratic equation, standard form. My recommendation is analyze is possible factorization or no. If you don't see the combination, well, it's impossible because sometimes it's impossible to get the combination. You make a decision doing by quadratic formula, maybe, no? Maybe. Normally, the student avoid complete square. Complete square is good, but no, not too good. Much better, more systematic is quadratic formula. In this case, what do you think? By factorization, is possible or impossible?
Question.
Come on.
I'll go by quadratic equation.
Quadratic equation, okay. Ernest is fan to quadratic equation. Okay. Do you want to copy the quadratic equation or you know by memory already?
Yeah, we know it.
I
We're just
copy or
gonna
no?
plug it.
Copy or no?
No, we're just gonna plug it.
No, I memorize very well. Just identification ABC. You
Yeah.
prefer that way? You prefer in that way? Or you directly on the equation, you identification, A1,
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 B
11.
B11, C minus
Uh-huh.
12.
Okay, perfect. I'm plugging in my formula. My formula say minus B. But minus B is minus 11.
Yeah.
Plus or minus.
Yeah.
11 square
11. Yeah. Square.
4 times 1, no?
Yeah. 12.
Negative 12, no?
Negative. Yeah.
Divided by
Divided by 2. 2 on 1.
2 and
It's
1.
just 2.
Just 2.
Just 2. Yeah.
Now you put in the calculator 11 square is 121, no?
121. Yeah.
Plus double minus. Be careful.
Yeah.
Minus, be
Minus.
careful. And this is 48, no? I suppose. is 12 times 4, 48.
Yeah, 48.
48 plus 121,
60, 60, 161,
169.
69, yeah.
So 121, 48, addition plus is 9.
69, yeah.
And the square root 169. Do you know by memory or no?
No, I don't
Mm.
know.
You
Probably
have
Isn't
failed.
it 13?
Yes, 30. Yes,
13.
30. Very well. And so far we have negative 11 plus or minus 13 divided by 2. And you separate it into pieces. Negative 11 plus 13 over 2. And negative 11 minus 13 over. Entonces 13 minus 11 es 2, ¿no? 2. Es 2 positive. And 2 divided by 2. One solution. Wow. And the second solution is 11 and 13 together is 24. Pero minus 24 divided by 2 is negative 2. Okay, the solution set for this equation is 1 positive and negative 12. Hello guys, look at that, look at that, look at that. If you realize that we can solve it by factorization, because in this case the combination is too easy, it's obvious, it's a regular trinomial. Look at that. And the combination is 12 and 1, because 12 times 1 is 12, and 12 minus 1 is 11. So the combination is 12 and 1. What sign? What sign? What sign? What sign? Signs. Who help me with the sign part? Who help me with the sign part? Eh? Nobody help me? You don't remember factorization. You forgot factorization. You forgot factorization. You cannot pass this class. Come on. What about the signs?
Plus 12 and negative 1.
Absolutely. Plus 12 and negative 1. Because remember, this sign is minus. When this sign is minus, indicate me that we have different sign. And this sign is the sign always of the bigger number. So one equation is this. That means que es negative 12. And another equation is like that. That means x is 1. Wow. Wow. Do you understand advantage and disadvantage of the factorization or quadratic formula? Really, you understand or no? Definitely, factorization is not for you, no? I teach you.
Yeah, it's easier, but
Ah, dang, I don't understand. What is the reason that you don't select factorization in this specific problem? Okay? Uh-huh. This is my struggling in college algebra. The student, quadratic formula, always. No, 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 no. Well, okay. If you want to spend 30 seconds doing by quadratic, okay. However, I spend 2 seconds or 3 seconds by factorization. Okay? Okay. Let me complicate a little bit more. Suppose 5 x squared minus 14 x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Propose me something. Suppose that you are a student in college algebra. We need to do fast this. Propose me something. A quadratic formula or factorization. I don't know. Okay. Factorization, the only disadvantage I can see, this trinomial, what kind of trinomial it is? What kind? Is regular, special, or perfect square?
special.
And special, you know, is always a little bit complicated, right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I,
Entonces, what do you want? Honesty.
uh,
Go ahead.
I would not take factorization in this case.
Yes or no?
No,
No.
I would
It's a no factorization. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Entonces, ¿cuál es el método que you select? ¿Cuál es la fórmula?
yeah.
Okay. So this is A, this is B, negative 14, and C is negative 3. I'm using the formula, no? The formula is negative B, pero 14, negative 14 is B, therefore it's positive 14. Yes or no? Do you follow me? Voy a do it step by step, like a kindergarten guy.
Yes, sir.
Step by step?
Whatever you want to do. I don't know
No,
for other
no,
people
no.
understand.
You control me. I am super fast shortcut. I would like you get my fast shortcut. But if you don't follow me, I control my speed. Okay? Entonces,
All right, let's see it.
it's okay. You see, okay, no, super. And now square root negative 14 FB squared minus 4 times 5 times negative 3 divided by 2 times 5. Everyone follow me in this plugging in? 14 plus or minus. I need help to compute this expression. You have calculator or no? Everyone have calculator right now? Oh no. Okay, negative 14 squared is
196
exactly. Now plus or minus?
minus.
Why? Look at that. Be careful.
No, plus because it
Oh,
was square.
careful.
Plus,
Minus become positive.
yeah.
Positive something. Positive what?
Mm, positive like 24, 20 by 3.
And 20 times 3 is
60.
60. So very well. 169 plus 60 is, tell me,
256.
256. And square root of 56. Put in your calculator.
16.
Eso, 16. She said. Divided by 10, no? We'll come from that 10 to times 5. So that's 14 plus 16 over 10. 14 minus 16 over 10. This is 30 divided by 10 is 3. My first solution. And my second solution is negative 2 over 10. And when you reduce in lowest term is negative 1/5. Solution set is 3 and negative 1. Do you want to do by factorization or no?
Yeah, I want to see it because it's
Doing
picture.
but curiosity. And you compare. No, professor, it's much better. In this particular example, it's much better quadratic formula than factorization. Okay, maybe I understand. Remember, it's a special trinomial. Si it's a special trinomial, you multiply that number and that number get 15. And the combination, I suppose, get 15 and 1, because 15 times 1 is 15, 15 minus 1 is 14. The combination is 15 and 1. So you write this trinomial like a polynomial, minus 15x, 15, this I copy here, but minus, plus 1x, no? It's this one, here, minus 3. And you apply factorization by grouping. What is the GCF in that part? Is 5x. Is x minus 3. What is the GCF in that part? 1. X minus 3. X minus 3 is a common factor. And the last parenthesis we have 5x. We have two factors. You break it down into linear equation. The first linear equation is x minus 3 equal to 0. It's equivalent to say x equal to 3. The second is 5x plus 1 equal to 0. When you solve, you move 5x equal -1 divided by 5. X is equal -1. Solution. And what do you consider is the best way? You get the same answer, right? Same answer, right? 3, look at that. 3, -1/5. 3, -1. What do you consider is the best way? By factorization or the quadratic formula?
For this one, I would say the quadratic formula is the best one. But
Okay, okay, I agree, I agree, I agree. Super. Okay, let me complicate more your life. Suppose another equation, quadratic equation, of course, we talk about quadratic equation today, in which, for example, is no expressed in standard form. Let me start for elementary example. K squared plus 4 is equal 6k. So for k, this equation. Help me. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Come on. Chance. Villanueva. Come on. What should I do? I know you know. Miss Brown.
transfer transfer six k
Transfer.
and put it equal
Okay.
equals 0.
How do you know that? How do you know that?
Because you you said you showed us time to complete the equation.
Put in standard. It's a technical name. Put the equation in standard form.
Yeah.
If it intention, I move this guy to the left, but I put it in the second place because the
Yes.
is 2, the exponent is 1, and the exponent is 0, no?
Yeah.
Okay. The rest is piece okay. The rest is, yeah. Let's do it by factorization. Well, impossible by factorization, impossible. Or quadratic formula, I have no idea. Help me.
Minus b plus minus.
Minus b plus minus.
And then the square root b to the second power minus 4. And then ac in the brackets. And that would be over 2a.
Super. Who explained that?
That's me, Chance.
Chance. Okay, Chance. Super. Now, who is A, who is B, who is C in our specific example?
Okay. So then you would substitute the values where a equals 1, b equals -6, and c equals 4.
Eso.
Mm-hmm.
Very well. Very well. So it's 6 positive or 6 negative? Because remember, in the formula we have a minus, b is also minus, double minus. Automatically, I put positive 6, right?
Yes.
Plus and minus, square root, -6 squared.
To the second. Minus 4 times 1 times 4.
Eso. Divided by?
2 times 1.
Exactly. Okay, let's focus it in the computation of the expression inside. Inside is -6 squared, 36, no?
Yes.
Minus something.
Minus 4.
No, 4 times 1 times 4.
Yeah, 4 times 1 times 4.
What's the answer? 4 times 1 is 4. If 4 times 4 is?
It's for the 16.
And 36 minus 16 is?
20.
20. What about square root 20? 20, unfortunately, is no perfect square number.
Right.
Okay, no problem. Si it's no perfect square, you break it down, prime factorization, 20. 20 is to 10 to 5. Yeah, I discovered that we have one couple of 2. That's me, the one to go outside the radical, no?
Yes.
Entonces, the simplification form of the radical 20 is 2, 1 to outside, get this 2, and stay inside the radical 5, get this 5. Okay, let's come back to the quadratic formula. Is 6 plus or minus 2 radical 5 divided by 2. Again, we can split 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 2 divided by 2 is 1.
Yes.
And this is the final elegant answer. Any question? No? Okay, that was easy. I want to complicate more this. Look, W parenthesis W minus 6 equal 14. Negative 14, sorry. Is quadratic equation, yes or no? No?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. It's already expressed in a standard form.
No, you just got to factorize it.
Uh-huh. So what should I do?
Oh, but
Factorization or multiplication?
multiplication.
Multiplication.
Yeah.
Because I want to
And
remove
transfer 14
W squared minus 6W.
and transfer
Okay, I agree. And he said transfer.
yeah
Transfer
plus
14,
14.
positive 14. Super.
Correct.
Okay. No. What method we using? Factorization or quadratic formula?
Factorization is gonna be easier.
Factorization. Factorization. The factor of 14, we have only 2 possibilities. 14 times 1 and 7 times 2. And when you adding or subtracting 15, 13, 9, 5, we never get 6. Factorization is impossible. Do you understand it's impossible?
Yeah. I see. Let's
What should I do?
go right to the equation.
Exactly. Entonces, what is the way que you want? You directly on the equation,
Directory.
que A is 1,
Yeah.
B is negative 6, and C is 14.
Mm-hmm.
I plug it in directly in the formula, ¿no? The formula que es minus B, entonces 6 positive,
6 positive. Yeah.
minus square root, negative 6 squared, minus 4, times 1, times 14, divided by 2. 2 times 1 que es just 2, ¿no? This is 36 minus something. Okay, I put it in my calculator. 14 multiplication by 4 is 14 multiplication by 4, 56. 56. Oh, 56. The 36 minus 56 is minus 20, no? And what about square root minus 20? Well, I did before, remember, is 2 radical 5, no? But it's negative, so it's I.
Yeah, it's gonna have E. 5E.
2I radical 5, no?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So far we have 6 plus or minus 2I radical 5. Forward. And you split the common denominator. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. I radical. Complex. Okay. 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 One horrible for you. And you help me. 3y parenthesis y plus 1 minus 7 y plus 2. equal 6. Wow, what the hell is that? What should I do? What should I do? Come on. Propose me some ideas, guys. Okay. Brian participate. Jesaira never participate. Why? Jesaira, come on.
Yes,
If
I
my,
Distribute.
do.
come on.
Okay,
Jesaira.
we can distribute.
Eso, bueno. You speaking Jesaira?
Yes.
I say, excellent. Entonces, she said, distribute the 3y squared plus 3y. Super.
And then also the other equation.
Ajá, entonces minus 7y squared minus 14y, ¿no? Minus 6 equal to 0. It's okay. I transfer like, ajá.
Yes.
Ready to combine later. Combine later. Later is
3y squared.
3y squared and 7, no?
Yes.
Negative 4. And this guy, no?
Yes.
3 minus 14 is 11, no?
Let me see.
Negative 11, y minus 6 equal 6. Wow, I don't like this equation. Too many negative, but I can change, right? If you multiply the entire equation by negative 1, and by negative 1, because I want to change the sign. This is perfect legal in algebra. If negative, I don't like the negative guy. I like the positive guy. I multiply the entire equation by negative 1. So I change the sign. Plus. And negative 1 times 0, you know, is 0. This equation is the same, except this is, in my opinion, is much better. Okay. Entonces, the only thing we are doing so far is manipulation, the horrible original equation, and expressing now a nice standard form. Entonces, this is a crucial moment in which I need to make a decision. Factorization or quadratic formula, I don't know. Let me know, help me. Yesaira, you want to continue with me or no? What is your opinion? You tell me. See, you are wrong, no problem. You are a student. Or another participation, come on.
We can do. I mean, we can do a quadratic formula, but I don't know if we can factor it since there's an 11.
Okay. Super. I agree with you. If you want, after we are doing by factorization, but let me see the answer. Yeah, it's possible. Okay. Don't worry. So this is what is the best way can you consider for you? You copy separately here ABC or no?
It doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. Okay. What is A?
4.
What is B?
11.
What is C?
6.
Super. Do you want to copy the quadratic formula or you memorize very well?
We can just plug it in already.
Exactly. So minus 11.
And then square root.
Help me.
And then we have 11 square root minus 4 times which is 4, and then C, which is 6.
Eso.
Over to A, which will be 4.
Eso. Okay, you put in the calculator 11 squared 121, no? The rest is 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16, no? And 16 times 6 is
48.
96. 96. And subtracting 121 is 25. Nice. I like that because the square root 25 is 5.
It's 5.
And so far we have minus 11 plus or minus 5 divided by 8, que is 2 times 4. And you separate. I copy positive, I copy negative. In that case is negative 6, no? over 8. And we can reduce in lowest term as negative 3 over 4. Divided by 2. Top and bottom. In this case is negative 16 over 8 and negative 2. Final answer. Yesare, do you want I do for you by factorization or no?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Sometimes it's impossible. When it's impossible, when you have irrational solution, nobody can predict irrational solution. It's crazy. But in this case, no. In this case, it's rational. Rational, remember, means whole number, like a -2, or fraction. Okay? It's rational. So it's, I understand it's possible factorization. Let me copy. Do you dare to do together? Or no? Or you don't feel strong in the factorization? No.
I don't know about this equation.
Let me ask you.
Mm-hmm.
This trinomial is special or regular?
It's special because it's 4y.
Exactly. Entonces, you know, in any special, you multiply this number and times this number. It's 24. So I need to analyze one by one the factor of the 24, okay, somehow give me multiplication 24 and addition or subtraction give me 11. Yeah, I discover que es 8 times 3 because 8 times 3 is 24 and 8 plus 3 is 11. Do you follow me?
Yes.
Exactly. I copy 4y squared plus 8y plus 3y because I know that 8 plus 3 is 11. I separate in two pieces. Okay, now apply factoring by grouping. GCF and the first couple is 4y, y plus 2. GCF and the second couple is omega 3, y plus 2. Plus 2 I discover que es a common factor. We have 4y plus 3. I separate in two linear equations. The first linear equation is y equal -2. Because I move 2 positive to the right hand side. The second is 4y plus 3 equal to 0. Easy, easy. 4y is equal -3 divided by 4. Y is equal to -3 over 4. One solution, two solutions. It's the same solution of the we get by quadratic. I understand. Que quadratic formula is more systematic. You follow one systematic, it's the same procedure. You follow it, you are doing well, you get the answer. And the factorization is a little bit more artificial. You need to use more imagination. No? You find, in my opinion, the most complicated part is that part. No? Try to find the combination. Sometimes you say, well, 24 is 24 times 1. Pero es 12 times 2. Pero es 8 times 3. Pero es 6 times 4. Like 3, 5. But the combination of words in that case 8 and 3 because it's 11. Good? This side is okay?
Yes.
Super. Okay, guys. I bring two more examples. And that's it. Today we finish early. I repeat again the idea. Two more examples. Complicated now. I need participation. I need help. I feel that you understand very well that part. And by the way, guys, you get good grade in the test online and the test on paper. Okay? Like you suppose that you have no problem to pass very, very well, successfully that class. Let me repeat. Entonces, when the class is over, few minutes, I want to send the test number 5. Test number 5 includes radical equation and this equation, quadratic equation. No? 10, only 10 questions. And I collect this test number 5 next Wednesday, que es October 14. Monday, we start new topic, super short, and start review for the final. My plan is send to you the final. The final test have no online. No, only write on paper, reading test on paper. When you send me the final test, I suppose I could maybe have no idea. Let me see. Okay. Because I need to, let me see. We are talking about next week. Next week. Next week. Monday is 12. Okay. I suppose que Monday 19 is do everything. That's it because we start new class. One of the students que enroll with me in a new class called Algebra is the first day is uh, is October 26. We start new class. And the same schedule, the same time, same professor. Okay, and we have a new student. We have in total 35 students. This is crazy. And this is hard. Okay, but you are training, at least in the upper. Okay, let me try two more examples, and that's it for today. One quadratic equation que contain fraction. And one quadratic equation que do not contain fraction. Okay, this is 1 over 5. 1 over 5 h squared plus h plus 3 over 5 equal to 0. Okay, it's a quadratic equation again, but the problem is que contain fraction. What should I do? Who help me? Come on. Robert, help me. Kyla, help me. Miss Brown, help me. No? Tatiana never help me? Shelby? Ismael? Ismael, you are good too. You are doing very well every test. Or you are tired? You are lazy? Come on, what should I do? Tell me. Yeah. No? Nobody can help me. You don't understand. I can do when you have a fraction. I suppose que A is 1/5. I suppose que B is 1. I suppose que C is 3 over 5. This is the best way to do that. I'm plugging in this.
Cancel
Go ahead.
Cancel multiply by 5 to cancel the fraction?
Absolutely. Who speak that?
Brian.
Brian again. Okay, nobody working the quadratic formula using fraction. This is crazy. It's possible, no? But it's not good. But to avoid this situation, Brian proposed me multiply the entire equation by 5. And why 5? Who is 5? What is the name of 5? This common
You have to cancel
right?
the fraction.
Entonces, h squared, do you understand que es h squared? Because 5 times 1/5, this is cancelled. Two. Stay only 1. 1 is invisible. Plus 5h, again, is cancelled here and here, and stay 3. And 5 times 0 is 0. Wow, amazing. This is super elementary equation. Okay, entonces now, by factorization or quadratic formula, what do you think? Brian, finish to help me. Quadratic formula or factorization?
Factorization?
Say again. Okay, mira, factorization. you analyze 3. 3 is a prime number. 3, the only combination is 3 and 1. When you add in 3 plus 1 is 4. When you're subtracting is 2. Never is 5. That means it's weird, the combination. If it's weird, I discovered by quadratic formula, not by factorization. Entonces 1, 5, 3. Positive. Minus 5 plus and minus square root 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times 3 divided by 2 times 1. This is 25 and this is 12. And 25 minus 12, 13. And 13, square root 13 is a square root 13, because 13 is a prime number. It says negative 5 plus or minus 13 plus or minus square root 13, sorry, divided by 2. That is the answer. We cannot do any more. That is a reason that we cannot discover the factorization, because look, it's irrational, square root 13. Impossible. Impossible. Any question? Entonces, nobody working with the fraction, no? Immediately multiply by the least common denominator. In this case, the least common denominator is 5, because the only number that we have in the denominator is 5. We have no more. Suppose another example. Similar. 1/2. 1/2. 1/2 y squared plus 2/3 equal minus 2/3 y. Who help me? Come on. Come on, Villanueva. I'm waiting for you. Prove me that you're a good guy. Villanueva, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Come on, come on, come on. You can or you cannot. Honestly. No, professor, no. Okay. I understand. Tatiana? Villanueva, go ahead, go ahead. Activate the microphone. I can see. Can you
Oh,
activate?
I was gonna say maybe the next problem I'll be able to help you out with
Okay,
this
no
one.
problem, no problem, no problem. Okay. Tatiana? No? Tatiana? Activate the microphone. Wow, what happened with Tatiana? Sleeping, no? Emile?
No, sorry, my microphone's not working all the way.
It's perfect working. I hear perfect to you. Come on. You want to help me or no?
I need more practice.
Oh, but when you take the practice, doing the homework, okay, you have no idea exactly what should I do now?
Multiply by least common denominator. 6.
What is common denominator?
6.
6, very well. Who speak that?
Brian.
Brian again? Wow. Multiply by 6, multiply by 6, multiply by 6. Entonces es 3y squared es plus 4, ¿no? You understand where I come from this 4? 6 divided by 3 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. Here is minus 4, no? Again, minus 4y. Something like that, right? No fraction anymore. Okay, now?
Now you gotta put it in standard form. Or equals
Exactly.
0.
Exactly. Who speak that?
Yetzira.
Yes, Ira. Okay, I move Yesaira, negative 4y to the left. I put in the correct place, get the second place because the exponent is 2, the exponent is 1, and the exponent is 0. And we are ready. And we are ready. And we are ready. In this case, I suppose it's crazy. by factorization. So I propose you much better quadratic formula. A is 3, B is 4, and C is 4. This is minus B plus or minus square root 4 squared minus 4 multiplication by 3 multiplication by 4 divided by 2 times 3. 4 squared is 16 minus this is 12 times 4 is 48, I suppose. I'm checking just in case my calculator. 12 times 4, yeah, 48. Now 48 minus 16, 32. Pero es minus 32. Entonces, when you compute the square root minus 32, we expect imaginary, no? I square root positive 32. 32, I suppose that we can simplification a little bit. 32 divided by 2 is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 4. Is 8, sorry. Divided by 2 is 4. Divided by 2 is 2. 32 contain 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 2. But remember, we select by couple. This couple of 2 represent 1, 2 outside. This couple of 2 represent another 2 outside. And 2 times 2 together is 4. The magic number outside is 4. Actually is 4i. And stay inside the radical these 2. So we have minus 4 plus or minus 4i radical 2 over 6. We can simplification? Of course we can. Of course we can. Because when you split the common denominator, negative 4 over 6 plus or minus 4 over 6 again, I radical 2. So you reduce in lower term divided by 2 is negative 2 thirds plus or minus 2 thirds I radical 2. You can write like that, or you condense it again because the common denominator is the same, and minus 2 plus or minus 2i radical 2. This is the final answer for this. Okay. The last one. The last one is incluye decimal. Ooh, what should I do when you have decimal? 0.5 y squared minus 0.7y plus 0.2 equal to 0. What should I do? You immediately determine A, B, and C using decimal, or you are doing transformation?
You can multiply them to get a whole number.
Multiply by what?
By 10 to get a whole number. So it'll be like 5.
Exactly. Multiply. But in order to get the whole number, right? So 10, multiplication by 10 or by 100 or by 1,000 is super easy because the only thing that you should do is move the decimal point, in this case, one place to the right, no? This is 5. 5y squared minus 7y plus 2 equal 0. Now, quadratic formula, A is 5, B is negative 7, and C is positive 2. Entonces 7 positive, remember the formula have minus B, pero B is negative, doble negative become positive. Plus or minus square root minus 7 squared minus 4 times 5 times 2 divided by 2 times. As always, the same repetition, we computed the expression inside. It's 49 positive minus 40, no? It's 40. It's 40 because it's 20 times 2 is 40, entonces it's 9. And square root 9 is 3. Wow, I like this problem. Entonces 7 plus or minus 3 divided by 10. 2 times 5. Separate into pieces. 7 plus 3 over 10. And 7 minus 3 over 10. 7 plus 3 is 10, and 10 divided by 10 is 1. Right. First solution is 1. 7 minus 3 is 4, no? Divided by 10, and lowest term divided by 2 is 2. Therefore, the solution set is 1 positive and 2 positive. End the story. Okay, guys. Too much now. Don't leave. Stay. I want to send by another computer the test number 5. No? Remember, this is test number 5 is due October 14th. Okay, I want to say, and you let me know if you receive. You say I got it. You can leave. Okay, I say now.
I got it.
Exactly. Good, good.
I got it.
Absolutely.